Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this fun card that I made using my Fables Friend stamp set. You can get this stamp set in our occasions catalog. It's got wonderful images that can be used for all kinds of occasions, including general occasions cards. So let me set this aside and we'll get started. Okay, I'm going to start with my Whisper White piece and the Blueberry Bushel and stamping my sentiment. So I'm going to ink this up and I'm going to stamp in the lower right hand corner, straight down and straight up. And the great thing about our Whisper White cardstock is if you don't like that and it's crooked, you can stamp on the other side. So let me try that again. There we go. And I am ready to add a piece of Designer Series paper to this. Now this is our 2018 Designer Series paper. This comes in a stack with all 5 of our in colors from 2018-2020, and it's a great value since you get multiple sheets and different patterns also in the stack. You'll want to be sure to check it out. And I'm going to add that strip along the side here of that Whisper White layer, and now I'm ready to add it to my card front. So I'm going to bring my card base with Poppy Parade and bring it in and adhere this piece down. And as you can see, not a problem that I've got that mistake on the back. I'm going to place it on the front here. And now I'm ready to add the layering circle. These framelit dies are great value because it contains a number of coordinating dies and they are great for all kinds of projects. I find I'm reaching for them all the time. And then the next step is the little squirrel. So I'm going to stamp my little squirrel in Memento, and I'm doing that because we need to color him with blends, and to do that we need our Memento ink. And I'm going to stamp him here on my Whisper White piece, and I'm going to color him. Okay, I've got him colored, and I have cut him out with the coordinating layering circle die, and so I'm going to pop a few dimensionals here on the back so that I can adhere him to the card front. There we go. I've got those dimensionals ready to go, and I am going to place him on my card front just like that. So let me show you the original again. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.